This is Samsung Galaxy S23, and today I'm going to demonstrate you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So the first step to do that is to download and install the Caffeine app, which you can do for free using the Play Store app. So open the Play Store, find this particular application that says Caffeine-Keep the Screen On from the Caffeine developer, then hit that green install button, wait for the app to get downloaded and installed, then launch it, and in here just make sure that the timeout option has been set to infinite, and as long as the Caffeine app stays opened or launched in the background, so make sure not to close this app and have it over here at the list of recent or active apps. So as long as you do that, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.